Get ahead of your competition by monitoring what they do so you can stay on top and stay ahead. Welcome to part 3 of our 4-part series about the features of the Reputation Tracker and Survey tool. Now let's take the insights from your competitors and let's get into the competition section of the Reputation Management tool. This is a great way to monitor your competitors or apply feedback that might benefit your practice based on your clients' or patients' review responses. It's a great way to stay one step ahead of the competition. So by default, it will have recommended competitors to compare against, but you can add competitors to view your competitive snapshot. The marketing score is based on how well your business is doing to attract or retain customers. You can use your marketing score, review score, visibility score, and social score to measure how the business compares to your selected competitors. Clicking on reviews or your visibility score will display more detailed information about the competitors' reviews or online business listings. You can also manually select your competitors by clicking on the Pick Competitors button in the top right corner. So by default, it will give you a ton of competitors in your area, or you can choose from the predetermined list of competitors in the right column. You can also browse by health category or a specific business name. Now that you've got the vantage point on your competition, tune in to our next video on surveys to get internal feedback and boost up your review count. And check out help.imatrix.com for more info.